gonna be on Gemini's channel.
Margaritaville Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So it's 76 degrees, it's about 8:13, and we just kind of finished up breakfast and getting ready for our hike. Supposedly it's what? Probably, yeah, it's a walk, it's not a hike. I think it's 1.3 miles, so I think we go into the national park, and we'll see how that goes. And but it's going to be a hot one today. Definitely going to be in my blow-up seat in the lazy river, floating around, and probably bringing a cooler down there too, because it is hot. So let's get ready for that hike and that walk, and see where we go. That was easy. 1 mile.
Yeah, it's nice.
One point. I think 1.1 miles.
Not very buggy.
Nope.
Nice trail.
With some new people we've met and some familiar faces as well. So, Great Smoky Mountain National Park, Cataract Trail, Cataract Waterfall. Good morning from Wednesday morning on Margaritaville and Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. All right, so we are spent the day yesterday with that small hike, and then not even a hike, a small stroll, and then we ended up coming back, hanging out. Went for lunch, brunch, hung out at the lazy river for most of the afternoon, took a nap, and some thunderstorms rolled through. But today I'm heading out as a spectator with a little bit of the crew. They got a golf match. I'm actually going to be kind of hanging out with RV Adventure Explorers, Juan, just to hang out. We're not playing golf. We didn't bring our clubs. But we are going to hang out at the golf course with a couple of the guys that are here that are playing golf. But and then this afternoon, I think we're going to probably take a ride into town. And then we've got one more day tomorrow before we kind of head north. But you know, this park's pretty nice. It's got everything that you would want. It's definitely not. It's not Auburndale. I actually like Auburndale a little bit better. It's a little bit bigger. But let me show you the pool. Yeah, they got a pretty nice water slide. Nice pool. You get food, you get drinks. You come right here in the deck on the side of the pool, or you can go inside in the air conditioning. You got a hot tub. Not that you'd want it. It's been 95 degrees plus every single day. But it's a nice setup, especially if you got kids. And then over here we've got the lodge. Now they actually have rooms for your friends that don't camp. Got the store here. We got the cornhole. pretty cool. This is actually a gift from Jimmy Buffett. 1963 Airstream Bambi was a gift to resort. The iconic Airstream was used in his first recording booth while he was chasing adventures and recording the Far Side of the World album. The CD was released in 2002. The Lazy River is like down a little hill like we're heading out. Let me get you a shot of that. Ended up bringing our own floats, which I recommend. We bought some cheap floats. It's actually a duck and two ducks in the Lazy River this morning. Let me see if we can get a shot of them. So these ducks are just chilling in the Lazy River this morning. But nice location. It is hot though, I'll tell you that. We're making our way into the backside. Nice big community fire pit over on the right here, and kind of a nice hangout area with some Adirondacks and some rockers. This is all in front of some event space that they have as well. Big chess, Jenga, plenty of wood and community fire pit area. Got a full arcade over here. Nice kind of hangout lounge, TVs. And this is direct access over to the Lazy River. We got foosball. It's a pretty cool setup. This is the arcade, but it's closed up for the morning. But there's a ton of games in there. And then this is right where we came in. This is the Lazy River, direct access.
Some of them are kind of blind shots because you're hitting to a very elevated green. 14 usually is playing 165. I play 185. 17 is 217 from the whites.
That's Corey's. Mine is the one in the middle.
Look, I'm glad you got my one good shot.
I got that in there.
And we'll say, hey, let's play. Let's play. Mm-mm.
I wish I was as good as Will.
Off to the right. Oh.
Let's go home, guys.
Yes!
Let's go home.
Cades Cove was an old settlement, and I'll find out some more information on it, but it's a beautiful pasture in the valley here, and they've got some horse riding stables, but originally this was an old settlement. I know it's a great area for wildlife viewing, especially in the morning. I did get to see a bear. Everybody was pulled over like crazy. I had to go up around a guy who was getting his gear out of his hatchback of his SUV. But bears attract like magnets. Everybody just stops in their tracks, but even when it's not safe to do so. And unfortunately, people get way too close. Cades Cove, beautiful. That is a beautiful sunset.
Yeah, look how pretty it is. Make sure you get everybody's picture.
There we will. Hanging out tonight around the campfire with some old friends and new friends.
All kinds of friends.
All kinds of friends.
And then you're stuck with me.
And I'm stuck with her.
You wouldn't trade
Because
me.
I'm going to bed and I'm not sleeping.
He's going to bed and he ain't sleeping. Yeah. That's the clue that it's time to go. No, I'm going. He's probably like 4 bourbons in right now. I ain't going.